Yo, so what's up guys? I'm doing my first ever run, so we're gonna start now. We're gonna talk about game passes. Like bro, it's so expensive. I literally saw 3,000, 10,000 game passes. And someone uses that useless game pass, bro. They're just like wasting money, bro. At that point, I'ma just crash out, bro. I literally not spend that many Robux for a glimmering sword, maybe? I think glimmering sword with no effects on enemies. And the global system literally said that a player that bought 10,000 worth of game pass. Like, bro, don't spend your money on useless game pass. Bro, I think he used his mom's credit card, bro. Anyways, I bought one game pass for like 1 Robux. Yes, that's the kind of owner I like. Doesn't put too high Robux on their game pass. That's it. Bro, the owners are just making us the money machines. Roblox machines, bro. So, anyways, wait, what am I gonna say now? I forgot what am I gonna say. Um, there. That's my rant. I hope you like it. I will post more soon. Bye. Peace out.